Sa kaugnay ROTC Stories, kilalanin ng isang kahangahangang kadet mula sa Bataan Peninsula State University na tinaguriang Lady Jack of all trades dahil sa kanyang natatanging husay sa iba't ibang larangan. Mula sa Mariveles, Bataan, tunghayan ang kanyang storya.
Magandang araw, pamilyang kaugnay. Muling nagbabalik ang Kaugnay ROTC Stories, kung saan ating itinatampok ang mga kabataang lider na may husay at disiplina bilang pundasyon sa pag-abot ng kanilang mga pangarap. Ngayong araw, kilalanin natin ang isang kadete na simbolo ng determinasyon, isang huwaran na nagbibigay inspirasyon sa kanyang mga kasamahan. Mula sa Bataan Peninsula State University ROTC Unit, tunghayan ng kwento ng Lady Jack of all trades mula sa Mariveles, Bataan.
I am Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Journey Vlog, First Class.
But my mama told me it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes, sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is open light. Oh, 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 oh.
I'm currently taking Bachelor of Science in Psychology at Bataan Peninsula State University from the College of Social and Behavioral Sciences. I live in Barangay Ipag, Mariveles, Bataan. I grew up in a household where my parents taught me to work hard to become independent and to never depend on anyone. My father is self-employed. He works tirelessly every day. And my mother is currently unemployed. She takes care of our family. I graduated elementary at Antonio G. Llamas Elementary School year 2007.
Looking back, I realized those early years quietly built who I am today. I learned that childhood experiences and memories deeply shape our identity, values, and future choices. The lessons weren't just in textbooks. They were in kindness, resilience, and learning how to stand up again after falling.
Ako po si Sir Randy de la Cruz, faculty po ng Antonio G. Llamas Elementary School, advisor ni Jerlyn way back 2017. Si Jerlyn nung siya ay nag-aaral dito sa Antonio G. Llamas, isang typical na estudyante lang din siya. Isang batang tahimik pero responsable. Responsable in a sense na lahat ng pinapagawa ng mga teachers, subject teacher niya ginagawa, especially sa mga assignments. At ang pinaka-nakitaan ng advisor ay yung pagiging isang leader niya. Kasi that time, alam naman natin ng mga bata ay medyo makukulit. Nung time nila Jerlyn, isa siya sa taga-saway sa klase. Kaya hindi ako magtataka na balang araw, isang magiging magaling na leader si Jerlyn.
I graduated senior high school at St. Nicholas Catholic School of Mariveles year 2023.
There were days I felt small, unsure, and afraid of getting things wrong. But those were also the days that taught me the biggest lessons. That growth begins with trying, that failure is part of learning, and that every person starts somewhere.
Ako si Teacher Jovi Baluyot. Naging subject teacher ni Jerlyn since grade 9 sa science subject. And then, naging advisory class nung siya ay nasa senior high school, grade 11 and grade 2. Sino si Jerlyn? Isa siyang estudyante na masasabi namin na pinagmamalaki. Dahil, maliban dun sa core values na meron na binibigay sa kanila ang school, nakita namin, transparently, nakita namin sa kanya kung ano yung mga eager to perform such activity na hindi lang basta ma-accomplish but instead with distinction. Masipag, hindi basta sumusuko. Pipilitin niyang gawin kahit mahirap with full blast, 100% binibigay nila. At isa sa mga estudyante na disiplinado, gagawin ang lahat para sa ikabubuti at para sa ikakamit yung goal niya.
As a woman, my biggest motivation to join ROTC would be the desire to grow into a strong and capable leader, while proving that I can thrive in a space traditionally dominated by men, pushing past stereotypes and expectations. It is about building confidence, discipline, and resilience through challenges, while also gaining a sense of purpose by serving something bigger than myself and contributing to others.
So I am Ma'am Camille De Leon. I am one of the faculty members of the College of Social and Behavioral Sciences. Currently, I am the advisor for the third year level undergraduate students. So, short of an insight about Miss Jerlyn Siblac. So, si Jerlyn po ay isa sa mga estudyante ko under our BS Psychology program here at CSBS. So, si Jerlyn po bilang isang estudyante sa college namin and one of my undergraduate students, this semester specifically, I am handling her in clinical psychology. So, I have seen much potential in her. So, as I've said it, because she was able to facilitate during my conduct of a mental health training workshop for organization. And yun yung chance na nakita ko yung potential niya in this field. So, showing her dedication, her passion for the mental health advocacy.
I am not just a cadet officer. I am the kind of woman who does not shrink to fit expectations. I expand to meet my own potential. My voice is steady, my words intentional, and I am never afraid to speak up even when the room falls silent. I understand that my thoughts carry weight, and I refuse to let doubt quiet my truth. Empowered not by approval, but by self-belief. I walk with purpose and stand with conviction. My talent is undeniable, not because I try to prove it, but because it shows in everything I do. I learn, I adapt, I create, and rise again and again. I am capable in ways that cannot be measured by a single title or role. I am a force, resilient, brilliant, and an empowered woman. Strength can be graceful. Intelligence can be fearless, and that a woman who knows her worth is unstoppable.
Ako po si Lieutenant Colonel Christian G. De Leon, Military Intelligence Philippine Army, bilang Commandant ng ating BPCO ROTC unit. Tungkulin ko na pangalagaan ng ating mga ROTC cadet, lalong-lalo na yung ating mga kadete na magpapatuloy sa kanilang training bilang isang advanced cadet. Sapagkat itong mga advanced cadet natin, ito po sila ay yung tinatawag nating mga magiging future officers ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Talagang tinututukan namin ang kanilang mga training sapagkat hindi biro-biro yung aming isinasagawang training para sa kanila. Bilang isang komandan, talagang nandun yung ating supervision na talagang matatawag natin na mas mataas, hindi compare doon sa mga ordinary cadet. Isa sa mga nag-undergo ng ating advanced ROTC training ay si Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Siblac, ay isang first class cadet at kasalukuyang Core A7 ng ating cadet corps. Nakita natin si Cadet Siblac ng katangiang nararapat o yung hinahanap natin sa isang future leader ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, lalong-lalo na sa Philippine Army.
Leaving you with a gentle reminder to never let anyone convince you that you are not enough, that you are too much. Because you are allowed to take up space, you are allowed to dream bigger, speak louder, and demand the respect that you deserve. Because empowerment begins when you believe in your own voice. Para sa bayan, para sa kinabukasan. Join ROTC now and be one of us. Be a leader. Muli, I am Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jerlyn G. Siblac, and this is my Kautnay ROTC story.
Told you it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes, sleepless in the onyx night.
Tulad ni Cadet si Vlog, pinapatunayan niya na ang kabataang leader ay namumukod-tangi, isang kahangahangang babaeng kadete na isinasabuhay ang serbisyo, disiplina at katatagan bilang huwarang lingkod bayan. Tunay nga na she's making her story, isang tahasang multi-talented cadet, isang snappy salute sa Bataan Peninsula State University, ROTC Unit. Muli, ako si Sergeant Lester Donato, ang inyong kaugnay Drill Master. Kita-kits muli sa susunod na Biyernes, dito lang sa Kaugnay ROTC Stories.